So this morning we had a discussion on organic compounds on 20.17. So what we discussed on November 2017's but question 4, which I sent this afternoon. So we discussed how does reaction A look, how does reaction B look, how does C look, how does HBr look, B and E. So we looked at A and we said that it was an alcohol and it went to an alkene, so it underwent elimination. So this was a dehydration reaction. A catalyst is needed, a strong acid catalyst, namely H2SO4 and H3PO4. And the reason why we use this is because they are very strong dehydration agents. The byproduct formed is water, and you will see we are using Zaitsev's rule, where the carbon will be the hydrogen will be eliminated with the carbon with the least hydrogen atoms, and the OH on the carbon where there's in any case just one hydrogen atom. So we will get a butene in this reaction, a but2ene. That was then for A. So for B it was vice versa. So if it was the first one was then an elimination reaction, so the second one will then be an addition reaction. So if the one was dehydration, the other one must be hydration. So we add excess water, we add a small amount of the catalyst, not like we did with the dehydration. And now what happens is now we are using Markovnikov's rule. And Markovnikov's rule says that so what will happen is the OH will sit on the carbon with the least amount of hydrogen bonds. So you can see the OH is sitting on one of these two carbons. They only have one bond, and obviously the H will sit then on the other one, and that is then Markovnikov. So Markovnikov says that the OH will sit on the carbon with the least amount of hydrogen bonds. Again, this is a major product. If we look at our substitution reaction, which is now, let's just go back. I just want to go and show you. We did C and then we did HBr. We first did the HBr, the alcohol going to compound X. So if we looked at that one, this is what we got. The alcohol plus HBr. If you have the reaction, you will see the alcohol will undergo then, it's a substitution reaction and it's hydrohalogenation. So what will happen is the Br and the OH is going to change spots. Okay, so it's substitution, it's a secondary alcohol, it's a slow reaction that takes place, and heat is added. If you look at number C now, number C is just the other way around, where we have this 2-bromo butane. It reacts with a diluted base and it is dissolved in ethanol with a moderate heat to give 2-ethanol, which plus NHBr, which is our ionic compound. So the OH and the Br changes places. Then if we go to D, D is just the opposite of C, because we had substitution from compound X to the alcohol, or the haloalkane to the alcohol. We are now going to have elimination from the haloalkane to the alkene. And if we have that, then we get actually the opposite of what we had in the previous one. So we have an alkene plus a strong or a concentrated base that forms a double bond which is now our alkene, plus our two byproducts. The Na will react with the Br and the OH will react with the H. And remember, we are forming a major compound, so that is why if we use Zaitsev's rule, we will take the H with the least amount of the carbon with the least amount of hydrogen atoms, and that is where we then get our haloalkene, and it's an elimination reaction, and it is called dehydrohalogenation. The last one is our reaction number E, and reaction number E is our hydrogenation reaction, where the alkene is then added to H2 to form a alkane, and this is also the process of where they also soften butter or make margarine. Okay, so what will happen is the bond will break, we will form two more bonds, the H2 is added, so H will sit on each of the carbons to get butane. The PT is our catalyst, and dissolved is a non-polar compound. Now, what I told the rest of the class today was that we are going to do 2016 November question 4 on Thursday. We're going to discuss that on Thursday at 11 on Teams, and we are also then going to continue today with there's a survey which going out, and also if you want to start with electrostatics, because that is what's actually planned today, there is an assignment on electrostatics. So tomorrow and Thursday I will send out some videos for that, and also then on Thursday we will then also start with the Doppler effect. So good luck guys, have a good day.